I am finally sharing with you guys my ultimate pamper routine today from A to Z, every single steps. So let's get started. I like to start off with a pair of tweezers, which is what I use to plug my eyebrows, especially because it's got a curved tip, so it helps me to get the right arch. Now, those who don't know, I am a lash artist and do lashes apart from YouTube, and these tweezers are used to do volume lashes, and that's how I started liking it so much. Like, you can have very precise eyebrows plugged into details, as it can plug out even the tiniest hair. Next, using a disposable razor to get rid of the tiny hairs on my forehead and my upper lips as well. Now, you need to be very careful while doing this, because if you do this too fast, you might take off your eyebrows. So go very slow and be gentle. Now, I know it looks very dangerous to use a razor directly on your face, but because my skin is very sensitive, I get small bumps all over after using a removal cream. So this is what works best for me. And I'm doing the same for my arms. Use the razor, but if I have enough time to wait, I normally prefer to use a hair removal cream. But if I'm running late or I'm too lazy to wait, I like to just use the razor. It's just easy and quick. After my face is cleared with any unwanted hairs, I'm using a wet wipes, which is both alcohol and fragrance free, or else it can give you a very bad reaction with the fragrance, especially if you've got sensitive skin like me, and alcohol turns your skin super dry and dull. So I try to not use any, and I like to wipe off my face very thoroughly to make sure I get rid of any excess oil or dirt on my face. Moving on, I like to use a foaming cleanser from Neutrogena, which is my super favorite. And with the help of a spin brush, I like to take 2 to 3 pumps and gently clean my face. Also, by the way, the spin brush is from Olay. So first you press the top button to turn it on, and then the second one to speed it up. Now this makes it so much easier that you don't have to keep rubbing your face with your fingers, and also this helps to deep cleanse faster. And the fact that the cleanser is so gentle on my skin, not too harsh, no strong smell, so both works wonders for me. Next, I like to use this brightening Red Ginseng Eye Mask along with my favorite peel-off mask. I like to start off with the eye masks and place both the masks under my eyes, of course, and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, while I wait for them to sit, I like to apply the black peel-off mask, which is very painful to peel it off for sure. You will see, but it's so very worth it. I normally try not to do this more than twice a month, even if I'm doing a facial, just because it can be a little strong for sensitive skin, and I mainly like to use it to get rid of my blackheads on my nose. And right after you peel off, you can see that glowing skin that was hiding underneath, so it is really satisfying. And once it's dry, it's time to take off the under eye mask as well as the peel-off mask, the main struggle. And as I told you, it's very painful. You can see my skin's turning red. That's because it pulls out those tiny facial hairs, and I won't recommend this to someone who's got a lot of facial hair, because it's gonna be worst, as you won't be able to peel it off, and secondly, it will be too harsh for your skin pulling all those hairs out. I somehow like it because I haven't got much hair and it removes my blackheads. And after it's all peeled off, trust me, your skin feels heavenly smooth, like you're gonna have baby butt skin. Next, after peeling off all your dead skins and pores, you want to scrub that face. So I like to use the Zucchini Revitalizing scrub, and taking a generous amount of product on my fingers and gently scrubbing my face in circular motion on my cheeks, forehead, and also you never want to forget your neck. Now, as my skin is very sensitive, I don't like to use products with too strong perfume or something which is too harsh on my skin. So I am very picky when it comes about skincare products. So whatever products you will see me using in this video are all you can use with no worries at all, especially if you've got sensitive skin like me. Next, I'm using Shea Herbal's face massage cream, and this I got from India. So all you need to do is take a generous amount of product, apply it on your face, and massage it in circular motion for about 15 to 20 minutes. And your skin will feel as smooth as humanly possible. Like, it's for that extra nourishment that your skin needs after getting rid of all the dead skins and pores right after you peel off that layer of skin from your face. Plus, massaging your face helps increase blood circulation. And in case you don't have any face massage cream, you don't have to worry. You can use pure coconut oil, which works as a great substitute, and you will get the same benefits. Next, I like to go for face mask, and I use any of this. They both are my favorite. So one is a clay mask from L'Oreal, and the other one is a face mat from Herbs and Heart. Now, because my skin is not feeling too dry today, I am gonna go with the L'Oreal, or else I would have gone with the Manuka Honey face mat, as it's more on the nourishing side. And while waiting for the mask to dry, I like to move on to the next step, which is waxing. And I like to use the wheat strips. Take one and cut into 4 pieces, something like this. Place it under my arms and pull it against the direction of the hairs. Now, I know this looks kind of gross, but I just wanted to show you guys, as I said, it's my ultimate pamper routine. And also, once your hairs are removed, do not forget to use the wipes to make sure there's no wax left on your skin. After I get rid of the extra hairs and wash off my face mask, it's time to tone that face. And I like to use this Zucchini Hydrating Mist Toner, and I have been using this for ages now. Love that it's so gentle on skin and it's really very soothing. So all I do is spray it over my face and tap it with my palms gently to make sure the product goes in. Now, the last step before shower is oiling. That's what I like to do. And I use the BioGlance organic coconut oil because it's the best for both your skin and hair. And I prefer to do this at least twice a month. And basically, I start from the ends of my hair, massage it with my fingers, and make sure it's all spread out. And then once it's done, I like to go for the scalp and give it a nice gentle massage. And once it's done, I will tie my hair in a bun and wait for about at least half an hour or one, depending on my time schedule. And finally, it's shower time. Yay! For my hair, I have been using this Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo, and I like to start off from the roots and give my scalp a nice massage, taking all the tensions out from the head. After all the billion thoughts that we have throughout the day non-stop, can at least stop for this few minutes, having to worry about nothing. After all, who doesn't enjoy a nice warm shower? For conditioning, I'm currently using the Hydrate and Repair conditioner from the same brand, and I like to apply it on the ends and not in the roots, or else I suffer from massive hair fall. I don't know if it happens to anyone else or it's just me. For the body, I use the Cetaphil Skin Restoring Body Wash, which I forgot to film, and that's about it for shower, just as usual. Sometimes I like to use body scrub, especially after coming from the beach or whenever my skin feels super dry. But apart from that, I am one of those girls who goes in and goes out from the shower in minutes because I am always running late. After the nice warm shower, I like to use the Estee Lauder Hydrating Gel, which I've raved about in a lot of my past videos, a lot. And you just need a little bit, a little goes a long way. And it's a very lightweight, quick absorbing serum-like gel, which will moisturize your skin without turning it greasy. Next, for my under eyes, I love to use this Advanced Night Repair Serum, and it's the same formula. very lightweight, non-greasy, yet will keep your under eyes fresh and moisturized. So all I like to do is apply a little bit in dots and massage it very gently, and also tap to let the product set into my skin. Also, you don't want to have dry lips, so I am currently using the Bleach Tax lip balm. So it has that minty flavor which kind of burns a little bit, and with moisturizing it plumps your lips at the same time, which is why I love it so much. Next, to moisturize my body, I like to use the Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Lotion, and of course apply it all over my body. Not a huge fan of thick, heavy moisturizers that make you feel like your skin's not able to breathe, so this one works perfect for me. Moving on to the hair while it's still damp, I love to use the Garnier Long and Strong Hair Serum, and all you need are just few drops. Mix it well on your palm and fingers, and starting from the ends, apply it to the roots, focusing mainly on the ends as they always tend to be more dry compared to the roots. Because I always use hot irons on my hair, I like to be prepared. I like to use this heat defeat spray when the hair is still damp, and use the John Frieda Fridge Ease spray. So I just like to spray it all over my hair a few times to make sure the hair gets enough, and massage it with my fingers as usual to make sure the product is all spread out. Lastly, before going to bed every night, I like to use some castor oil for both my eyebrows and eyelashes. And in case if you don't know, castor oil is the best natural hair growth serum that you can possibly find in the market. And all you need is a mascara brush or a wand. So dip it in the bottle and make sure you brush out the excess. First, I like to apply it on my eyebrows just because then there's a lot left in the brush, and whatever is left I like to apply it on my eyelashes just like you would normally apply mascara. So that was my ultimate pamper routine, everything that I like to do on a day off or on weekends. The ultimate care and love you need to give it to yourself after working so hard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!